You need to try this cheesecake. It's a chocolate cheesecake with a chocolate chip base. Amazing. Start with 240 grams of digestive biscuits. Crush them with the end of a rolling pin or a food processor. Grab 90 grams of butter and melt this in the microwave. Add this to your digestives and then mix together until fully combined. Add in 50 grams of finely chopped milk chocolate and mix again, making sure that you're dispersing the chocolate evenly throughout the mixture. Pour this into a cheesecake tin and then push down with the back of a spoon or an offset spatula. Leave this in the fridge while you crack on with the cream cheese. Whisk 280 grams of cream cheese until smooth. Add in 75 grams of icing sugar. Make sure that you sieve this into the mixture because we don't want any grains or lumps. If you fold together the mixture slightly before you put it in the mixer, it stops it from flying everywhere. Mix until combined. In a separate bowl, grab 300 milliliters of double cream. Whisk this until stiff peaks form. This could take between 3 and 7 minutes depending on the speed of your mixer. Melt 150 grams of milk chocolate. Combine that cream cheese mixture with the double cream and mix together. Next up, you want to add in that melted chocolate and mix together again until it's fully combined. Pour this mixture on top of your base. Again, you can smooth this out with an offset spatula or with the back of a spoon. Make sure you leave your cheesecake in the fridge overnight to set. Run a knife around the edge of the cheesecake to separate it from the tin before removing. Go back in with your offset spatula and just smooth out any imperfections. Melt 50 grams of chocolate. You can then use this to create a design on top of your cheesecake. This will hide any imperfections and it really just looks like a nice design on top of the cheesecake, and it's super simple. So I'm just cutting into it now. And this is the final product.